Mga kaibigan, ano pa nga bumuli natin? And now, ready na ako the next performer. Before that, mga baka, sige pwede kita matrasana yung kamay paggamit niya rin ng kalayo. And kung naman po, ini-award sila sa po the organizing team ay hindi po layo po sa mangyayari po sa ating performer. And now we're at the comment our next performer. Hill Fire Dance, ladies and gentlemen.
But tonight, fire will be your entertainment.
Ladies and gentlemen, Duo Fire Dance! Diyos ko, isa ni Pere, nawahat lo kayo nyo. Kasi na, bakit mag-effectos tayo ni Pere na kutubin tayo yung mga kamera ng kalayo. Sir, para sige pa marunga nga na ito niyo. Babagabit kami kapag parang ba, mangkalagit na lang yung kalayo. Kao nag-ihapit ito. Hi, sir. Hindi ka naman sa masaktan. Okay lang po. Okay, sige. Kung sila ka ba mo, okay, sir. Pagin may kalay, kung saan natin ako, titik po ka ako. Hindi ka kamay, kapag sila na sa prawaling kalay. I think, kailangan na natin. Itay mo na natin si sir. Hindi ka sa ako. Delikado yung sir. Okay. Nga, pang-biyag kanina, paglubas ni sir. Amo yung kalayo pang hindi-tinita. Lawas na lang din sa naging sinamita niyo kanina mga kiniyetan ka mo, ha? Sir Jim, pero Sir Jim, nalataw ko na niya folder. Paglubas ni sir. Hey, sir? Isaktan ka? Okay ka lang? Baka gusto mo na lagyan kita ng ointment. Sir, lumubog ka na ako, dinipigil ako may kalayo. Sir, Jason, yung comment ko po.
Hello. Otro mo pa yung nagabi atin nga tanan. So, good evening to Duo Fire Dance. Actually, this is not my first time saw you imo performance kay. Actually, you are the champion last season and Dagagi Got Talent Classic Laban Season 1. Then, I don't think so even this season. Pero that was fire dancing also. But anyways, with regards to your performance, of course, I would like to congratulate first your performance kay you delivered it well. With matching music, kasi in fire dancing, it's not always the fire dancing lang. You have that kind of moves dapat, di ba? May actions ka mo. Dapat then also, nakiki-jive with the tone hand music. And you did it. So, congratulations for that.
Thank you, buddy.
And for the exhibitions for your fire dancing, damo naman ko din ako nakita na nagpa-fire dance. Then, well amazed with your exhibition and you did so well. Siguro, I could suggest for you is, since I saw fire dancing na nga damo, why not discover mas kaan? It have very first pa lang mapapawaw ka. Pero overall performance, very good. It's a 10 over 10 for me. Thank you.
Sabi niya, Sir Jameson. Sir, maraming salamat. Panguli pala pa natin mga kaibigan. The Duo Fire Dance, sir. And actually, as what Sir Jameson says, this is not my first time to witness the performance of Duo Fire Dancer. Maraming beses ka na po silang napanood kapag meron yung mga talent. But every time na nakikita ko yung nakaka-amaze lagi